What's up? We back, man. Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie. I'm excited for this. Y'all don't even know, because I ain't keep y'all updated about this specific thing that I've been waiting on. But, man, got some new clippers, bro. New clippers. Y'all know I did the TPOB unboxing. That went crazy. But, man, we got the Babyliss, man. The Babyliss Low Pro. I'm excited about opening these. Let's get it started. There you go. And look, alright, so Amazon, right? Amazon. I've been waiting for these for a long time, I ain't gonna lie. And y'all already know about the Babyliss trimmers, the black FX trimmers that I got. But man, let's get this started. I'm about to open this. Man, don't got nothing to open this with, ain't gonna lie. Come on, man. Alright, here we go. I think y'all wanna see me open it. Man, boy. Stop playing, boy. Alright, in the box. We don't care about this. Alright. This. Woo! Hey, boy. Alright, again, Babyliss Low Pro FX, man. I'm gonna get into this last. Let's read what it say on the back. So it says ultra low profile metal shield cover, high performance, 6,800 RPM, 13,600 SPM, custom metal motor bracket, lithium ion battery, cord or cordless, graphite wedge blade, 5 positioning lock-in metal arm, ergonomic grip, dual voltage, 8 comb attachments. Boom. Alright, boom, cool. That's fine. Let's take this off. Did what we wanted. Did what we wanted. Alright. Man, should I get into this itself? Alright, look, boom. Ooh, boy. Instead of looking at me, y'all not here for me. I'm about to change the view again. We're gonna do it like we did last time. I'm about to change the view. Alright, we changing the view up, man. Alright, so, of course we got that. We don't care about that. Alright, man, boom. At the Babyliss, man. Oh my God, hold on. 5 click level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's crazy. These is not zero gap. Ooh, I'll do that later. Nice black metal finish. I love the feel, not gonna lie. Got a thumbprint here for when you hold it. Ain't gonna lie, these sound nice. These sound nice. Like these, man. Alright, boom. On the inside, let's see. Let's open this up. Alright, so you got a booklet that tells you about the clipper. Alright, you got a charger, plug into the wall when your clippers run that low. So boom, that's pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie, these look like the same. They don't, not mine. Like a lot of my clippers and trimmers already, it's like the same type of charger. You know what I'm saying? Like this part, it's like the same type. You got that, so it's to the side. This actually should be on. I feel like this actually should have been on clipper. Don't know why it's not, whatever. You got a brush, kind of shaped weird, ain't it? You got a brush, 2-sided brush. Clear the hair off. Guards feel pretty good. It reminds me of the wall guards. Pretty cool guards, you know what I'm saying? Got 1, 5, 6. What does it go? I guess it goes up to 6. Got the 2, 3, 1.5 in there, and a half guard. You have your Phillips screw if you want a zero gap, which I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna zero gap it on camera. And then you got your lubricant oil. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Pretty much what comes in the pack. You know what I'm saying, and of course you got the clipper, man. This is fire, ain't gonna lie. Yeah, these sound great. These sound great, man. Not gonna lie. This is fire. Like I said, I've been wanting this for a long time. But man, let's get in the zero gap, man. Let's zero gap the clipper so we can really get a full feel, you know what I'm saying? Not a full feel, but just so they're zero gap, so they're sharp. Cause these ain't sharp at all. Y'all see it. Let me see. See that space? I'ma still show y'all how the zero gap covers though. I also, as I look, I get the lighting isn't like I would like it to be, but as I look close, I'm looking and it's actually not zero gap like I want. All right, first, obviously, you're gonna take your clipper, right? You're gonna have it closed, lever closed. You're gonna take your Phillips screwdriver that you have, or any type screwdriver, right? You're gonna take this, and you're gonna slightly turn both of these, right? Slightly turn both of these a little bit. Cause what we trying to do is we're not trying to move this a lot. Alright? We're not trying to move this a lot. We're just trying to move the steel blade down a little bit so this can be even. Cause right now, well, you can't see, but right now it's not as even as I want it to be. So what you gonna do? You're gonna move it just a little bit. And I can feel it moving. Just a little bit, right? Boom. So now I'm gonna start sliding it down a little bit. Then you're gonna hold the sides, right? You're gonna hold the sides. You're gonna do one at a time. One screw, it don't really matter. I start with the right side. So you're gonna hold the sides, right? Hold the side because you don't want the blade to shift too much. All right, boom. Now, these are zero gap like I would like them. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see it, man. It's hard to tell, man. But these are zero gap like I want them. But that's all you do. So again, you're gonna unscrew these, right? You're gonna unscrew these screws slightly. You're gonna turn it slightly to the left. Just enough so your steel blade moves. Just not move left or right. You really wanna move up and down, right? So you're gonna basically pull the steel blade down to the level that you want. You want it dang near even. Then once you do that, you hold the side, right? You hold the sides and you screw it back. That's it. Easy, right? That's easy. Like, it's not hard, bro. That's easy. It's easy. So like I said, now these are, let me just make sure. Yeah, these are good now. These were off before. Then after that, all right, after you do that, you're gonna cut them on, right? And you want to use a part of your arm because what you want to do is you want to test how sharp it is. If it's too sharp, it's gonna cut you. All right, and I'd rather you cut yourself before the client. You don't want to cut anybody, but you want to be safe than sorry. You don't want to zero gap these without testing it, then put on somebody's head or, you know, doing the shape of a lot, whatever the case may be, and you cut them. So, boom. I just zero gap these. Now I'm gonna put them on my arm and I'm gonna test it out. Or you can cut some hair on your arm, whatever the case may be. Boom. Alright, these are cool. Let me see. Yeah, these are cool. I like these. So I'm content with these. They're not too sharp. These are fire. But that's how you do it, y'all. Zero gap clippers, man. And that's pretty much it. I ain't gonna lie. That's pretty much it, man. Let me know what y'all want to see down below. Let me know down below if I should do like a collection of all the clippers and trimmers that I have, because now I feel like I have a decent collection. I don't have a lot, but I feel like I have a decent collection to show y'all and to compare what's stronger and what I like to use and things like that. So if this gets, if I get 100 views on this, I'll drop that video. So 100 views on this video, I'll drop that. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Shy. Appreciate y'all for staying around. And let me know how y'all feel about the Babyliss Low Pros, man. Let me know how y'all feel. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's your boy Shy. And we out. I'm gonna see y'all later. Wow. Went to the store and I got me some panties.